Unpacking the power of nutrient-dense foods. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's crucial for anyone interested in healthy eating: nutrient-dense foods. Whether you're a language learner looking to expand your vocabulary or simply curious about nutrition, this video is for you. We'll explore what nutrient-dense foods are, why they're important, and how you can incorporate them into your diet. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets to a healthier lifestyle. Nutrient-dense foods are those that pack a lot of vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients beneficial to your health but have relatively few calories. This means you get more nutritional bang for your buck. Unlike calorie-dense foods, which are high in calories but low in nutrients, think junk food. Nutrient-dense foods provide your body with the essential components it needs to function optimally, support your immune system, and maintain energy levels. Incorporating nutrient-dense foods into your diet is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, they help you meet your daily nutritional needs without consuming too many calories, which is key for maintaining a healthy weight. Secondly, nutrient-dense foods are often rich in antioxidants and phytochemicals, compounds that help protect your body against diseases. Lastly, they can enhance your overall well-being, improving everything from your skin health to your mood. Let's talk specifics. What exactly are these powerhouse foods? Here are a few examples. Leafy greens like spinach and kale, packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like iron and calcium. Berries, such as blueberries and strawberries, which are high in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Nuts and seeds, including almonds and chia seeds, which offer healthy fats, protein, and various micronutrients. Lean proteins like chicken breast, legumes, and tofu, providing essential amino acids without excess calories. Whole grains, such as quinoa and oats, rich in fiber and B vitamins. Adding more nutrient-dense foods to your diet is simpler than it might seem. Start by making small changes, like adding a serving of vegetables to every meal, choosing whole fruits over juices, and opting for whole grains instead of refined ones. Experiment with new foods and recipes to keep your meals exciting and nutritious. Remember, the key is variety. A diverse diet will ensure you get a wide range of nutrients. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance and benefits of nutrient-dense foods. Incorporating these foods into your diet can lead to significant health improvements and contribute to a more vibrant, energetic life. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health and happiness.